Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To adjust the workbook's page settings before printing it, open the Page Setup dialog box by clicking the Page Setup dialog box button in the lower right corner of the Page Setup button group on the Page Layout tab of the ribbon. Then click the Page tab within the dialog box. To set the page orientation, choose the option button for either Portrait or Landscape in the Orientation section. Selecting Landscape helps when printing very wide worksheets. In the Scaling section, you can set the amount of text scaling for the worksheet. You can increase it to make the printout easier to read. Alternatively, you can scale it down to fit more printed data on a page. You can select the Adjust To option and then enter a percentage into the text box to its right to set the percentage of the default size at which to print the information. When adjusting the page breaks in the Page Break Preview, what you are really doing is adjusting this value, which can then show more data on a printed page. You could also select the Fit To option button and then enter the number of pages across and down into the two spinner boxes that follow that option in the Scaling section. Below the Scaling section, use the Paper Size drop-down to select the size of paper to which to print the worksheet. You can use the Print Quality drop-down to set a print quality in dots per inch. You can type a number into the First Page Number text box to set the first page to display that number as the starting point in the header or footer when printing, but only if you added page numbering.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.